Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can clear your video watching history on your Facebook. Please subscribe to the channel. Also put likes, write comments. And let's get started with our video. So, first of all, of course, we need to open the Facebook app. We need to go to the menu by clicking at the bottom. Now, at the top, we click on the gear to go to Security Settings. Next, this is where we scroll down and find the Activity Log section. We click on that. And now we see in the top right corner, we have a magnifying glass for searching. We click on that. And now we need to drive the word watch. Once you've driven the word watch, now we're going to select the video that we've been watching. This is the very first one in the list. And we're going to see absolutely every video that we've ever watched on Facebook. Unfortunately, we won't be able to, for example, open that video, go to it, watch it again. But if you need to clean up your viewing history, then you click on the three dots next to the video, and at the bottom you'll have delete. And that's how you can delete videos. Unfortunately, you can't delete all the videos at once, so you have to delete each one separately. But this is the way to clear your Facebook video viewing history. I hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to put your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And see you soon.